Scenario: a 1.0 kilogram block is attached to an unstretched spring of spring constant 100 Newton/meter and released from rest from that position. A particular moment during its oscillation, the block is stretched 0.5 meters away from equilibrium. Question: what is the potential energy of the mass-spring system? The answer is going to have us take a look at the spring potential energy, which is defined by US is equal to 1/2 kx squared. The x value here is its displacement value, which is 0.5. It does not matter if you plug in negative 0.5 or 0.5 because of the squared. You're still going to get the same value, which is going to be equal to 12.5 joules. That is the spring potential energy. Next question: how did that system get that potential energy? Where is it coming from? That 12.5 joules has to be coming from somewhere. So where is it coming from? The answer: well, the Earth's gravitational field is doing work on the system. It is that work that is giving the 12.5 joules into that mass spring system. Question: a simple harmonic motion system follows conservation of energy. So, what should the system be so that the scenario follows conservation of energy? Like before, we saw that the gravitational field does work, and the gravitational field comes from the Earth. So you have to include Earth in your system. So the answer, it should be both the block, it should be the spring, and the Earth system. Once you do that, you can now say that this scenario follows conservation of energy because the system is closed, because the energy is transferred from the Earth to the block as it oscillates. So the system is closed following conservation of energy.